Hey, tonight we're at Morro Strand State Beach, Morro Bay. It's a little campground here. Looks pretty cool. Show you what we have for dinner tonight. So we got 2 baked potatoes in here. And I microwaved them ahead of time at 10 minutes for both of them, all sealed up. We have this beautiful Nally original chili knockoff brand. It's pretty good. We're gonna hook up these hot dogs here, all chopped up in this little fire here. You see going. Of course, we have our little box Vela Chardonnay, and we're talking to Johnny Cash tonight. And I'll be right back. Hey, we got the hot dogs going and the chili in there. Looks really good. Give it about 10 minutes. Cook up with a little spatula.
Get all heated up.
Yeah. All right, we're ready to go.
Here we are.
There's the beautiful beans and hot dogs. All set.
Plate with their cooked tortillas.
Oh my goodness, that looks good.
Chili. And let's give it a little bit more. One.
Wow.
And potatoes come later. This is
Beautiful.
Good stuff. Just sit in the belly all night long.
Okay, we got the potatoes there. Give them a couple more minutes. All right, how's the beans?
You know, makes a really good burrito.
Whoa!
Hot dog chili bean burrito.
Sounds good. Here we go. Right there, we got a little hot dog and a little chili there. Looks pretty good. I gobble it up here. There we go. Hey! That's the way to camp. We'll roll this up and forget the fork and just eat like a burrito.
Yeah, you gotta eat it down a ways.
Very tasty. Oh, for the capstone little dessert, we have this baked potato. We heat it up. And it's gonna be pretty good. Look how tender that is. No butter or anything, just like this.
How things go for you today? Don't you miss her?
Goodness. It's kind of hot, but it's really, really good.
Since she
Okay.
up and walked
That was our
away.
dinner. We're on fire.
This is the best dessert ever.
Ever. Thanks for watching. Bye.